Good morning. It is the 21st of October. We are over at the northern part of Scotland and we're climbing a Munro today, and the Munro is Ben Hope. We left Stirling at 4:15 this morning and it's now 10 o'clock. We're just having some oats before we head off and it's onwards and upwards. I believe it's very steep from the start and it certainly looks like that. So let's see how we get on. Ben Hope, here we go.
Right, a few minutes away from the car and we're on the steep climb up, tracking past the sort of water or the burn that's coming down the hill. Okay, so we've been on the go for about an hour. We left the car at 10:15, it's now 11:15, and in terms of elevation we're sitting at 431 metres and the top is 920 odd metres. So we're getting there, and we've passed one person on the hill with their dog on the way down just now. Fantastic. I don't think there's anybody else in front of us, but we'll find out. Let's go.
I'd like to say this is us at the top, but it isn't. I'm not sure how high we are. Do you know, James?
Yeah, we're 627 metres high.
So we're getting there. We had another 400 and we're there. That's not bad, is it? Jeez.
How are we faring, Karen?
We're faring fabulous because we can actually, no visibility, but we can see it in front of us.
The trick point is in front of us. That's amazing.
So we've just had lunch. We had our own sausage and James brought some hot water and wee sachets of
Cappuccinos.
Kenko ones, and they're really nice. Just having that heat just makes such a difference. We've not really done this before on top of the hills, but I'll tell you, it does make a difference. It just gives you that little heat, and we've got a little shelter. Did you enjoy lunch, James?
Loved it.
It was good, wasn't it? No, you have it, darling. I've had enough. So we had a roll and sausage each and a couple of bits of chocolate. James thought he had brought an extra roll for himself, but stupidly hadn't done.
I forgot it.
But it was nice.
So it's pea soup, there's a lot of clag up here, there's not much to see, there's no drone footage, and we're just having food, finishing the drink, and then I think we're going to boost.
Oh. So we've come down 400 metres and that's me just take my hat and gloves off. The view's now starting to clear up. So now look at that, we've got the views that we didn't have at the top. We could pretend this is the top. But just look at that, it is absolutely amazing. And it's just getting clearer. So we've got to go all the way down there, which looks fine, but is boggy as hell. And I don't know if anybody else has done Munros, but when I come down in Munro, as I'm standing here just now, my legs are shaking. It's a weird sensation. Anyway, let's get down to the car. Come on, James.
How's back of the bus?
Back of the bus is doing good. We're in Bogfest at the moment. Having to be very careful where we put our feet. But I must admit, it's much more friendlier for me on the legs than it is with the stones. Going through boulders is quite difficult. So yeah, we're going down, down, down. I don't think we've got that far. Whoop, there you go.
Did you slip?
I don't think we've got that far to go. Let's go!
You stuck him?
Ben Hope completed. It has been a pleasure. It's just taken us over 4 hours and it's just been amazing. It really has. Just it's really bizarre because when you come down a certain level, the visibility is amazing. But the last maybe third, the visibility, I was just like, oh my God, James, I hope you can get us back down here. And he did. So I had a fabulous experience. James, what was your experience like?
My experience, well, I slipped and fell at the very, very last metre coming off the hill. As Karen said, took my eye off the ball, did a wee jump off a ledge. Where I landed was wet, slipped on my backside, but thankfully I'm okay. Anyway, Ben Hope is done, as Karen said. I thoroughly enjoyed it, regardless of the clag or the mist. I quite enjoyed it. But the adventure's not over just now. We're actually going off to Lairg. We're going to pop some fizz at the cottage that we're staying at for a couple of days because we're celebrating Karen's fantastic birthday shortly. She's been round the sun a few times and we're going to go a beach walk tomorrow. So join us for some fizz and join us for the beach walk tomorrow.
Good morning! We are still up in the north of Scotland. It's a cold, windy, lovely autumn morning. We are heading off to Brora. At present we're at Golspie train station and we're going to get the train to Brora where we're going to walk 10 kilometres all the way back along the beach. Really looking forward to that. So yeah, let's go and see what the beach is like.
Here comes a choo-choo.
That's alright because I like the way. We're on the train. So we've arrived in Brora. It's just after 9:30 and we are going to head and find the beach to start our walk back to Golspie. Come on, let's go. So we've started our walk and so far it's quite impressive actually. It's a lovely wee place, well looked after. Looking forward to this. Come on. Come on, James.
So we're heading towards Golspie, 6 miles, southbound.
Oh, that's nice soft sand.
So the Battle of Little Ferry, this is what Wikipedia says about it. The Battle of Little Ferry, also known as the Skirmish of Golspie, took place during the Jacobite Rising in 1746. Just before the Battle of Culloden, Scottish forces loyal to the British Hanoverian government defeated the Jacobite force. So that's the Battle of Little Ferry.
This is where Cinderella escaped to when she got out of the turret in the castle.
What's our plans now, Karen?
Well, we've just left the castle grounds. It's actually quite pleasant. And we're heading into Golspie. I think we've maybe got a mile and a half to go. Then we're going to pick up some nice lunch. Well, it is lunch, but we're going to have it as a dinner because then we'll can just have a little snack tonight. Well, that's our plans anyway.
That's us just coming off the trail, heading in towards Golspie. Right, so that's us finished with the trail. The car's parked at Golspie train station, but we're going to a little cafe for some food.
We are, I'm not
With
sure.
coffee and cake.
Yes.
How is it, Karen?
It's lovely. We've got red lentil soup, which is absolutely amazing. And then I've got the ploughman. James has got his muffin. Brilliant, isn't it? Really nice.
Yep, gorgeous. Right, okay, the cake's arrived. Karen's got this cake.
James is to guess what kind it is. He won't guess, but we'll give him a... We'll see how he gets on, shall we? What kind of cake is it, James?
It's lemon, isn't it? Is that lemon curd?
I think it is lemon curd.
That's really good, that, eh? That's
really
impressive.
Nice, really nice.
So they've got some lemon curd, and it's really fantastic.
And it's tangy, isn't it? You're not getting any more.
I've got this one here. Let's see how this one tastes.
Oh, wait, in anticipation. James is finishing his and taking a drink of his coffee. We have to wait. Is it going to be good? Is it going to be mad?
Man.
It's a man one. It's good.
Wow.
Karen's going to have a bit of it.
You're getting what I've got.
It's got peanut butter on it, which makes it... I don't know if you've ever put a dollop of peanut butter in your mouth. It's really dry, but it's nice.
Oh, good, eh? Yum. So that's the Salt House. Coffee lounge, lunch, and it's also a bed and breakfast too, Karen, isn't it?
It is. We were just talking to the girl and she was saying that bed and breakfast has got 3 rooms. They're hoping to expand it. And it's absolutely beautiful. Food's all freshly made and the cakes are just delicious. So that definitely ticks the box for Karen.
There you go, ticks the box for Karen. So if you're ever out in Golspie, pay that a visit. Oh, there's an old police telephone box, eh?
Back where it all started this morning, where we got the train to Brora. So it's been taking us 3 hours to walk from Brora back to here. We have had some lunch, which was amazing, which we would highly recommend. Fantastic day, fantastic company.
Thank you, Karen.
Fantastic weather. Everything's been good. The walk was good. It was just amazing. It's brilliant walking down by the water. What a difference it makes. Anyway, we're going back to the apartment now and we're just going to have a chilled afternoon, watch some things on the television and have some bubbles.
special bubbles for Karen.
Right, that's our walks done in Sutherland. So yesterday we did Ben Hope.
Yep.
And today we went up and down the coastline from Brora to Golspie.
Which was really nice, really nice. Recommend it if you're out this way. Had some really nice lunch in Golspie. And then we're now back waiting for this to go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
What's going?
Yeehaw!
Right, it's not champagne glasses, but it's the best glasses we can do.
Yeah.
It's the best glasses we've got in the place, which is fine. We'll get the job done.
Okay.
So Karen, happy birthday. So many times round the sun.
Yes, but I'm just caught up with you now, haven't I?
Just caught with me. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow. Well, that's nice and cold, eh?
Delicious. Absolutely delicious.
Right, we're going to polish this off now. If you've made it this far, please consider giving the video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, press the button to subscribe to the channel. It just means you'll be notified of the uploaded videos that we do in the future. Anyway, it's been a blast from Sutherland.
So for me it's over and out.
And for me it's hasta luego. Cheers.